अब if I change the husband, then उसको start से husband from scratch हो जाएगा मेरा.
Accept nothing less than Gucci. So कितने?
I'll find a way to fix it. He's like giving me the stink eye.
I think आज के French toast में कुछ मिलाया गया था.
You have a talent in being able to say things in a way where such a dog saying all these things, making me look like I'm a crazy person. I'm a little crazy person, I'll admit.
Domestic abuse, domestic abuse.
Can I tell you what's on my mind? 'Cause I've been thinking about it for quite some time. Hey, can you give me a moment to declare my love? Can I tell you what's on my mind? Can I get a chance to let you know you're my heart's desire, and I love you so? Will you stay right here, or will you run away if I tell you what's on my mind? I know we're more than friends, but less than lovers. This is not the end, there's much more to discover. Promise to stay, will you promise to never leave if I tell you what's on my mind? Can
Hi guys, good morning. Actually, good morning का अब तो good afternoon हो ही गया है. It is exactly 12:12 p.m. on this bright and sunny 4th of May. May the force be with you and may the focus be with me while Nibbles constantly comes into the frame and the camera refocuses on her instead of me. What is happening this weekend? Well, a lot is happening this weekend. Nibbles, you keep coming on the camera and stealing the focus, baby boo. Look at her, just look at her. She's so cute. I can't even mind it. I don't mind it. But then you guys will comment and say, focus kahan gaya? It's things like this. Jo bhi cheez aage aa jati hai, the camera takes focus on that. Like this. It'll just take focus on my hand. Okay, so let's kick things off with this vlog with a few updates. We are still house helpless. We've been on the hunt. We've been trying to find people. We haven't really found anyone that fits our needs as yet. We're asking anyone and everyone. So if you have any leads, you know what to do. Please slide into my DMs or leave a comment down below. Email me. Show up at my house. At this point, I'm just like, I need someone for the house. Jerry and I are splitting the chores around the house, which is obviously super helpful. The weird pooch sounds you might be hearing right now is Jerry trying to call out to Nibbles. He's the spare human in the house, as is the running joke. He only gets all this love and attention from her because he feeds her treats every morning, and she actually likes to be by my side. Jerry, don't try to distract her while she's like hanging with me and vlogging with me. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. He is so jealous that she loves me more. She doesn't care.
Come, Nibbles.
She doesn't care. She doesn't care. हाँ अभी ट्रीट्स बोलोगे तो आएगी ना वो. ऐसी हरकतें करनी पड़ती है. I have been absolutely obsessed with this Real का tender coconut water. Obviously ये sponsored नहीं है. ये मैं last year भी काफी सारा पी रही थी and then I switched to regular coconut water. But I realized that the regular coconut water now you don't get chilled. I want this to be like super chilled. It has one extra layer of protection, which is a little bit irritating, but also makes sense from a safety POV. Jerry, can you open this for me, please? It just never opens. Even with my nails, I only managed to get this one little bend in. It never like opens all the way. The agenda for today is that we are going to be taking interviews for the roles that we're looking to fill in our team. So this afternoon, I'm definitely going to be meeting a couple of candidates that I'm actually very excited to go meet because they seem like great fits. Let's see. It's so weird that we're trying to hire on the home front and the work front. It's like on full reset is happening for us on most fronts. It's quite cool. Where are we on other things, other updates to give you? currently in present day editing all the Mridul wedding vlogs. Thank you. Do you want to taste it? It's really nice. I'll give you chas.
No, thank you.
The Amul chas is also very nice.
Yeah, thank you. I'm just very.
So all these wedding vlogs are being edited. They're going up. I love the response I'm getting on vertical content. In present day, only the Rishikesh vlog has gone live. And the prep and pack obviously went live before that. I will not post the Mridul wedding content till her vlog is live. Obviously, the bride should get first dibs on this, especially since she's a content creator. If she wasn't a content creator, it wouldn't have mattered. But like in this case, 100%, I want her to post her vlog first and then I will post my vlogs. I think I'm gonna land up with 2 wedding vlogs because I went through all the footage yesterday and finished 1 edit. And I've only managed to cover about half the wedding functions and maybe a little bit of the third one. So I have a feeling that the Feras and the day we left and all of that will be a separate vlog. Let's see. Today I want to kind of sit and finish and fine tune all of that. Simultaneously मैं mystery box का भी देख रही हूँ edit ये वो. अब तक तो ये सब live हो चुका होगा by the time I'm posting this vlog. So definitely please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Stats show me that not everyone who is watching my content is subscribed to the channel. So I would be eternally grateful if you don't just like, of course it's great that you're watching my content, but it really helps a girl out when you hit like, when you hit the subscribe button, because the algorithm says, hey, okay, this person is doing good content, let's push the channel out into the interwebs on the internet a little bit more. So that would be really, I would just totally appreciate it if you could do that, because as you know, the delusional or ambitious, slightly crazy goal is for me to hit 1 million subscribers sometime soon. I haven't even crossed the 400k mark, but my goals are, so help me work towards it, pretty please. Another very cool thing actually happening this weekend, tomorrow, is that my parents, I'm doing this whole chatty bit with you right at the start of the vlog, I think that's become like how I am. Yeah. Another really cool thing that's happening tomorrow morning is that my parents are coming back after 2 weeks. They left for Umrah 2 weeks ago. They actually left for Umrah the same morning as Jerry and I left for Rishikesh. And I'm so excited to see them. I'm going to be going to the airport to pick them up. They land at about 5:45 a.m. So I feel like around 6:30 a.m. should be a good time to go pick them up. I made such a huge mistake. I can't believe I did this. I put the clothes in the washing machine and one of the items I'm wearing, the Springish tie-dye quad set, I'll leave a link into that Zara Alternatives video if you haven't seen it, and I'll insert a picture screenshot of it over here. Apparently it bleeds color and I should have been careful because it's tie-dye. I should have had it hand washed or hand washed it myself or whatever. It has made half the clothes in my load a shade of purple, including my Victoria's Secret panties that I literally picked up just last year in the US. If you've seen that lingerie haul, all my grey, like they're briefs but they're panties, if that makes sense. All my grey panties are now purple that I put in some of Jerry's clothes, his white shirt. I'll find a way to fix it, I swear. I'll find a way to fix it. He's like giving me the stink eye. Sorry. Obviously I didn't do it deliberately. This is just
Who knows?
I'll do it deliberately.
Yeah.
To my clothes also then.
Yeah.
Arey, phir tumhare.
Because you like purple.
I don't love purple that
You
much,
like
but I want
purple.
everything to be purple. अच्छा, तो हम इंटरव्यू लेने जा रहे हैं 2 कैंडिडेट्स का. Obviously वो मैं vlog नहीं करूँगी. Okay, but let me get going. I don't want to be late. I've kept good buffer time. I want the buffer time to continue to exist.
So we've just gotten into the car. Miss is driving. In case you didn't know, I have recently promoted her from driver to valet. She parks the car.
First of all, driver to valet is not a promotion. It's valet to driver in hierarchy even.
It's a promotion for you. So shush. So she parks the car when I drive. So that's how it
You've
goes.
driven all of 3 times. Yeah, all those 3 times I parked.
So she parks the car when I need to drive. So we're off now to
ये
take.
कभी नहीं चलाएगा. इसने ठान रखी है कि मैंने इसका मुंह बंद करवाने के लिए ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस ले लिया, लेकिन मैं चलाने नहीं वाला हूँ.
3 बार ही चलाया मैंने.
वाओ, 3 बारी.
1 महीने में क्लासेस गया था.
My.
Including driving
you
test.
manage? हम ड्राइविंग टेस्ट देते, ड्राइविंग टेस्ट के बगैर किसी को लाइसेंस नहीं
Oh
मिलता.
please, इंडिया ही सब मिल जाता है.
Excuse me.
आप potholes में ध्यान दीजिए please.
I don't like jokes.
I don't like you.
Yeah, you don't like me, you love me.
तो इसकी तो रियाज हिली हुई है. It's okay.
Find
we
me
are-
house help ताकि हिली हुई ना हिले यहाँ से. हट चुकी है मेरी थोड़ी सी यहाँ से. Actual में मैं तो मान भी रही.
She does need help. So we're off to take a couple of interviews for some of the vacant positions that we have. That does not include husband. Husband is hired.
See, I have spent 10 years training this man on how to take pictures, how to pose with me, how to hold the camera when I'm vlogging. He's just learning to vlog little bit himself also here, there, now. If I change the husband, then usko start से husband from scratch हो जाएगा मेरा.
It'll make for a good video, no?
What? Husband from scratch? I made my husband from scratch. I just didn't document the last 10 years. Teaching him how to do this. Teaching him how to do that. बस वो videos नहीं बनाया मैंने.
Maybe she should do a video how to train your husband if you're a vlogger
Yeah,
or
that
a
I should
content
do.
creator.
That I should do.
Yeah.
That I should do. Maybe when you graduate, Jerry, then I'll.
Graduate.
Yeah, like when you hit the nail on the head. How when you become like ace at helping me with.
Can I hit the
content.
head instead?
What an asshole. You want to hit my head? Domestic abuse.
ऐसा नहीं होता हमारे घर पे, हाँ?
Right?
कोई domestic
You want
abuse
to
नहीं
hit
होता.
my head?
These are just empty threats, you know that. No, I
Your
love
head
you.
is also empty. That's why. Empty threats from an
Finally,
empty head.
Anam has a good comeback.
Oh please!
One of
Are
our
you saying
bankers.
I don't have good comeback?
Anyway, may I finish what I was saying?
Fine.
So we are going to take a couple of interviews for some of the vacant positions that we have in our professional lives. Personal life तो vacancy पता नहीं कब fill होगा, but
What personal
Vacancy.
life vacancy are you trying?
how sir?
हाँ, I was like एक second husband में मना कर रही हूँ तुम क्या wife ढूंढ रहे हो दूसरी?
Wife का एक मिली वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात.
What do you mean एक मिली वही एक ही चाहिए? एक से ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. This is not that kind of a household.
Okay, so we are off to Suzette.
Yes.
And I have a feeling, I have a sneaky feeling after knowing her for about 10 years that she's hungry and she's gonna order her.
Say it. I thought I would say it in unison with you.
Okay.
Say it.
3, 2, 1.
Nutella,
banana crepe. That's what she orders, right? In fact, वहाँ पे whenever they see her, they say, "Madam, Nutella banana crepe, एक या
अब
चार?"
staff change हो गया है लेकिन वहाँ
अच्छा,
पे
they don't
because when I went with Gopali and Janvi recently, they didn't know. So it's new staff.
They will know soon.
No, na.
Usually
I'm not
pur-
going there as often. anymore.
पुराना स्टाफ आज सर एक या चार,
But I wish he
क्योंकि
was joking.
या
He's
तो
actually not joking.
एक ऑर्डर करती है या चार ऑर्डर करती
नहीं मैं ऐसे एक टाइम पे 4 नहीं ऑर्डर करती हूँ. एक के बाद एक के बाद
और
एक के बाद.
ऑर्डर करने के बाद वो पहले खाएगी नहीं, काट के खाएगी नहीं, पहले सब कुछ काटेगी.
No,
Squares
explain it properly. Yeah, squares में. I cut my crepes symmetrically in the squares. I think I might have a picture from sometime somewhere. If I do, I'll.
She
pop
will
it up.
vlog it today. She
No, we
will.
have to take interviews and like offer them food and we'll eat. And,
That's okay. You cut in front of them. Let them also
and
know.
then vlog in front of a potential employee. They'll
Yeah.
be like, ये इसको सिर्फ vlogging ही सोचता है.
और तो वही काम है भाई.
And I won't vlog the potential employee. What if we don't hire them?
We won't
We
vlog
only
the
hire
potential.
employees after.
Are you planning to cut the potential employee? No, na. You're planning to cut the crepe, no? So vlog it.
Jerry, you talk so much garbage. I love it.
I know. That's why it talks so much garbage. You need to
Because-
talk according to your target audience. So yeah, we're off to Suzette, which is Anum's favorite place, which is also one of my favorite place because
We used to
before we got married and we were initially dating, that's where we used to go for breakfast. I used to stop by on my way to work sometimes.
And
She
then
used
he
to walk
shifted
in.
right next to it, so we used to walk also.
Yeah, that was one of our hangout places.
Yeah, I haven't been going very much of late. In fact, when I went with Janvi Gopali, it was my first time in 2024 that I went to Suzette.
Wow.
Much wow. Were you also thinking of Saif Ali Khan while saying that?
Yes.
Good job.
But I'm pretty sure not.
आधे से ज्यादा बैंड्रा को तो खोद के रख दिया इन लोगों ने. I feel like they're looking for like Sona, diamonds. There's a mine coming up. What are they doing? Like why can't
They're
they
looking
finish?
for a candidate to stand in the elections.
We do need some TBH. But like the point is, why can't they finish one lane and then move to the next lane? Like just finish one.
What's the fun in that?
Yeah, turn the whole bloody city into an amusement park. Na? Roller coaster पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Silvered, no need. Just come to Bandra. Half of it is dug up in roller coasters anyway.
Yeah.
And they don't put signs in some of the places also. लोग तो चलते फिरते डुइंग से गिर जाएंगे अंदर. उसका
कैसे
क्या?
गिरते हैं?
Doing.
Doing. Okay.
You know, this happened to a friend of mine once in college. It's really
You've told me the story multiple times. Are you telling me?
I should tell them. This happened in the rains in Bandra. We used to go to Shah tuitions, whatever we called them at that time. And बहुत बारिश हो रही थी, बहुत बारिश हो रही थी. Okay, like it was not pouring cats and dogs. It was raining zoos. Okay,
Zoos.
like so many animals. No, zoos. Like not cats and dogs. All animals, like a zoo. Did you get it?
I think आज के French toast में कुछ मिलाया गया था.
Ari, listen na, yeah, she made it in ghee. Listen na. And my friend was walking towards us. Her mom dropped her. She came out, and suddenly we couldn't see her. And obviously, in hindsight, this is funny. At that time, it was really serious, and we were all scared. She's walking, and suddenly we can't see her. There was a gutter that was thankfully only 3 foot jitna, like khula jo hota hai, jo bhi. And she just had fallen in, and all of us had panicked because we were all standing outside the class and she was walking towards us and we could see her, we're waving, and suddenly we're like, where did she go? And it was all water. She pulled herself out of it and we couldn't even make it till there in time. And literally she got up, went, helped her get back into the car, and she went home because उसको इतनी जोर की लगी थी. अब हम सोचते हैं और हम सब साथ में भी सब सोचते हैं, तो ये सोच के हंसते हैं कि वो चलते suddenly she went wing and she disappeared and we didn't know where she was.
She also did doing.
Ari, but when you
That's
fall,
the word of this video, doing.
when you fall,
Please comment doing on
Ari, when you fall, it's like
doing.
You know, like that Super Mario when you used to play.
Life
when
is
you-
not a cartoon. You may be a cartoon.
Ari, the sound effect that goes off. Don't you have sound effects that go off in your head when
No,
something's happening?
normal people don't.
No. Everyone does.
No.
No, everyone does.
Normal people don't.
Everyone relates like to some sound or some memory. Like for me, when something's happening,
It's doing.
like if something's fallen or broken or funny a little bit, it goes wing. Like I have sounds that go, like background score that goes on in my head when I see
Adam,
things.
baby, you're unique.
Jerry, everyone has like maybe a song playing in their head about something or whatever. It's very normal.
Not
I'm
really.
not crazy.
You're not crazy. You're just unique.
That's a nice way of calling me crazy.
Thank you.
We have reached. You want to park? You want to try to parallel
No.
park? Maybe you will be able
No.
to. At least try.
No.
There's no traffic.
No.
कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो सीखोगे कैसे?
No means no.
Oof. Why did you even bother learning to drive if you're not
That's
going to
what,
learn to
that's
park?
what I told you.
Jerry,
I'll park in open spaces.
what?
Yes.
There's no such thing as open spaces parking in Mumbai. What do you mean?
That's Mumbai's problem, not my problem.
Dude, you gotta learn how to drive.
I have learned how to drive.
And park. You have not learned how to drive.
Of course I have.
No, just
Yeah.
knowing when and how hitting the accelerator brake, no. Learning how to navigate in traffic with speed, with oncoming. You are not practicing. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, करके थोड़ी ना तुम भूल सकते हो.
I offered to drive today. You said, will you park? I said, no.
1 second. You didn't offer to drive. You said गाड़ी चला लूंगा, लेकिन फिर हम late हो गए तो very smartly.
I
your
said
offers,
I
I'm your
won't-
wife. I know you.
I said I won't speed up. I will drive at my own pace.
Sir, you have a talent in being able to say things in a way where you know I'm not going to say okay. Please note, if your husband is like my husband, I'll drive.
You'll be
But
blessed.
then if we get late, yes, they will be blessed. But they're also smart little chunts. I'll drive.
What? Smart little what?
Chunt,
Oh.
no. Chunt means shana. Like, Ded shana. You know what Ded shana is? You know what shana is?
Cunning.
Yeah, okay. Like,
Why is day?
Fine.
Why not die or ache or aag?
एक तो is normal shana. Ded means a little over smart, like 1.5. Dhai is 2.5. You think you're dhai shana? The shana is ded.
Hey, I don't think I'm Shana. Can you park, please?
I'm done parking. You're just making me keep talking.
I don't think you need any help in that department, love. For once, Anam goes speechless. For exactly 5 seconds.
I want to slap
5,
your
4,
face.
3, 2, 1. She couldn't even last 5 seconds.
Why should I last 5 seconds? Let's go. It's time to eat and it's time to take interviews and it's time to turn that business
I got
mode
a itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine.
Hello. So we are
back. You were going to say we are back.
back
When are we back?
on camera.
Tell them where we're going, Jerry. Camera
We
through
are going to meet Shakalaka.
They don't know who Chakalaka Laka is.
So going to meet Shakalaka.
They don't know who Chakalaka Laka is.
And if parents permitting, we will show you Shakalaka.
My friend Trishana, she had a baby, remember? Now Trisha does this weird thing called Chakalaka like that, okay? Every time she enters our house. So Jerry calls her Chakalaka and now she's had a baby boy who is beautiful and his name is Kabir. Now Jerry's calling him also Chakalaka. He
It
hasn't
is
met-
revenge.
you ruin all children's names. He calls our other child, her name is Ira. He calls her Tajvinder. Then he names all children like Tajvinder, Ravindra, Parminder. You give everybody weird names. And then he's not met Kabir as yet. So he's meeting Kabir. I don't know if Trisha is actually they are posting him on socials, but I'll ask before vlogging him. We are going to meet Trisha. घुमा के आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो, थोड़ा ना कोई समझेगा चाकलाका कौन है.
She मुझे बोलने नहीं देती है.
मैं बोलने देती हूँ, आप सब गलत सलत बोलते हो, इसके लिए फिर मुझे सही करना पड़ता है. आपका गलत सलत कोई नहीं समझने वाला, सिर्फ मैं आपका गलत सलत समझती हूँ. समझ में आया?
So yeah, we are there. And now my valet is parking the car. And we will cross the road. Domestic abuse.
Okay, bye. Who's your Mithula? Not you. Him. Huh? You're a Mithula. Who's a Shonu? Jerry's raising his hand. You're a Shonu. No, you're a Shoni. Kabir Shoni. She watches my vlogs while taking showers, guys.
Yeah, it's my favorite pastime. There's a phone stand in that inside. Did he just roll his eyes? Did he just roll his eyes?
He did. Oh my god, me too. He's looking at mommy so much. He's like, that's where my food comes from. My food bank. My food bank. You're staring at mama so much. So much you love mama. Or so much you love your food.
Good morning. It is 5:34 a.m. and I'm on my way to the airport to pick up my parents. They just landed back in from Saudi. They just came back from Umrah and I'm meeting my brother over there as we pick them up. I'm sorry. I really am. It's never happened before. I think it's a rite of passage. Everyone is allowed to screw up a laundry once in their life. I just used up my once. I'm
White t-shirt.
sorry. I basically don't know.
See this?
I'm sorry. I don't know whether this dress has leaked its color or whether this has
It's
leaked
this.
It's this. Even I think it's this because of the tie-dye. Jerry's, what was it? A beige kurta is now lavender. Everything. I'm going to go ahead and give you TMI. My boxer briefs from Victoria's Secret that I was telling you about, which are grey, now have lavender tops. My pink napkin
peach napkin rather is, yeah, I need to find a way to fix this. I'm sure there's a way to fix it. Like
Yeah.
maybe like vanish. No,
And
maybe
you're not
like,
allowed near the laundry room.
dude, this is one mistake. Don't make me sound like I don't know how to do the laundry. It was one mistake. I've never ever I've screwed up laundry like this. This is the first time I threw in something tie-dye, and I never throw in things that are tie-dye. I'm just really sorry. But I'm sure there's a way. I think if I bhigao it in Vanish, or if I leave it in, not Ala obviously because that's white and bleach. I need to find a solution. If you know a solution to this, please comment down below.
It's to be yellow.
I'm sorry. I'll find a way to fix it, I swear.
You will go to the US and buy me new t-shirt.
You have to go to the US. I have to go to the US to buy you new t-shirts. Why can't I just order them for you online? We'll do a shopping haul for you, I promise. And I will find a way to fix it. So double munafa. I'm sorry na. मेरे भी कपड़े बिगड़ गए हैं in case that.
अरे कोई कपड़े
Of course, मेरी सारी चड्डियां बिगड़ गई है. मेरा कफ्तान. But बिगड़ गई है ना. मेरी भारी भारी like Victoria's Secret underwear and all has gotten spoiled, yeah.
नहीं पहन सकता हूँ.
I'll fix it. I'll buy you new clothes.
नहीं बिगड़ा, ये तो बहुत सही है.
ये
Green and pink.
nighty hai.
So
My lovely dress, that lavender dress, has become fully purple lavender. What about that also?
nothing. It used to be that color only.
Jerry, I'll order you new clothes. Come here. We'll get on Zara, Myntra, wherever you want to get on. We'll order. Not Zara, but like, okay, Myntra, come.
Louis Vuitton website. Gucci website. Go.
Come here now. We'll actually do a little haul. Come. We'll order some clothes for you. How did your boxers not get spoiled? Huh?
I don't care if boxes got spoiled or not.
See, even my Jerry t-shirt got spoiled. It's in your hand. हाँ, but ये वो वाला t-shirt है जो हमने तब खरीदा था जब we were seeing each other because it had a Jerry on it. So it's still special.
Of course, I know.
Oh God, he's gonna sunao me about this for the next few weeks.
I will accept nothing less than Gucci or LV.
You Pucci?
And coach का जो तुमने मुझे कॉन किया था US में.
कोच का क्या कौन किया था मैंने? हेलो, कोच का तुम्हारे लिए बैकपैक खरीद के दिया था मैंने. क्या कौन किया है मैंने, जरा बताना.
मुझे बोला गया था कोच अल्ट्रा लग्जरी है.
What rubbish! Lies. Guys, he is so fully lying. He assumed Coach was the luxury brand. And then after coming to India, when we were having this conversation, he was like, Coach is not ultra luxury. And I'm like, no, Coach is like, it's still luxury, but it's entry-ish level luxury. It's more in the line of like Michael Kors and stuff. He goes, oh, I thought Coach was ultra luxury. I think he's obviously joking because he was looking at all the price tags that I was shopping for, that he was shopping for also. But like, he's such a dog, saying all these things, making me look like I'm a crazy person. I'm a little crazy person, I'll admit. You're driving.
Get respects.
What? You can't drive? Okay, I'll drive. Never mind.
You sure?
Yeah, I mean, thought it'd make you drive for a bloody change. ऊपर बोलती तो then you would say नहीं drive करूँगा. That's why I didn't say ऊपर.
नीचे नहीं बोल सकते.
Hi, coming on here to end this vlog, this very, very real vlog. Yesterday was so much more fun than today, but it is what it is. In the name of keeping things real, I'm also going to go ahead and tell you that some people in this house, me and my husband, may or may not have gotten into some arguments today over silly things. And so my mood is a little apart from which my back and my cramps aren't leaving me alone either, making it even more And on top of all of that, something went horribly wrong at work that we were trying to get in order, and it turns out it is a little bit of a mess. So tomorrow, Monday morning, that is going to have to be the first thing I fix. So some more is where my mind is at. I'm going to end this vlog here, probably pick up the camera again tomorrow to vlog again. I am vlogging pretty much 5 or 6 days a week at this point. Actually tomorrow is a hardcore admin day, so I may just mini vlog instead of vlogs. I hope you guys have subscribed. I hope you are getting alerts for my videos. I hope you are leaving comments and telling me your thoughts, because I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. And if you made it so far into the video, this world emoji is what you need to leave down below in the comments, because my brain is like a keema pulao right now and I can't think of any other emoji to ask you to leave behind. It should be either that or maybe like a face palm. Go ahead and make your choice. Thank you for being the one thing this weekend that has truly helped me feel better, because in the chaos of life that all of us are in, I constantly feel very blessed and very like full of gratitude that I have you by my side. It feels like I'm hanging out with a bestie whenever I can come here and just vent to you. So thank you for giving me that safe space and being my safe space and leaving all your wholesome, lovely comments. I truly hope I get to meet you guys in person. Ek hi karke hi sahi, but like I want to be able to meet you guys, as many of you as possible in my lifetime. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.